back onto my mom's channel, and today I was thinking of making a little vlog while we're outside. So here we go.
Guys, this is also our 5th day of being in Norway, but it's the 3rd episode because we didn't record on some days.
Guys, hurry up. Let's just play in the snow before Mommy and Daddy call us inside. Guys, can we go inside? I'm so cold.
Oh yeah, now that you mention it, Marcus, it's really cold out here.
Yeah, but I think we should stay outside for just only 5 minutes because Mom and Dad are not gonna let us go outside again.
Yay, more playing.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to your local news channel. And a snowstorm is moving into our area tonight. Snow is expected to start within the next few hours and continue through tomorrow morning, making roads very slippery. If you can, stay indoors and make sure to prepare yourself with essentials like food and warm clothing.
Oh my gosh, there's actually a snowstorm happening right now. I hope it goes by so we can be able to celebrate New Year's tomorrow. Right now I just need to get the kids inside and I just need to go shopping for some supplies. Okay kids, so we have to go inside now because there's gonna be a snowstorm.
Wait, are you serious? We're gonna get a snowstorm? I just wanted to stay outside.
Hopefully it ends tomorrow night so we can have our New Year's party. Yeah, well anyways, Dad, are we picking up some supplies? Yeah, do you want to come with me to the store? Okay, Marcus, so you have to knead the dough first.
Okay, Mommy.
Wow, sweetie, that's perfect. You're doing a good job. Before we go home, do you guys want to go to the little market? Don't tell your mom or your sibling. Yes, I'm actually starving. Okay, so can I just get 2 bread bowls real quick?
So we're closing soon, so you guys just have to get the one is the app first, so yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so let me try this. Wow, this tastes so good.
Okay guys, so Nathan and the kids just got back from the supermarket and they bought us some supplies in case anything bad happens in the snowstorm. So yeah. Okay guys, so the kids are gonna go to bed soon because it's getting pretty late out.
It's okay, Marcus. We're gonna be fine. Don't worry.
Wait, did the power just go off right now?
Well, can you just get us a flashlight and we'll see what we can do?
Oh, I'm so scared. I can't go on my own. Well, I don't know if my mom just wants me to bring the flashlight or the whole bag, but I don't want to bring the whole bag because it's too...
Serene, where's the bag of supplies? I told you to bring everything.
Well, actually, you said to bring the flashlight, and I brought the flashlight, and that bag is too heavy. So, ask Kaden, because I don't even have any muscles on my arm.
Fine, I'll just ask Kaden, but don't make me even more angry, because I'm already angry this afternoon.
Yeah, whatever.
Kaden, wake your lazy self up. Go get us some supplies over there by the door, because the bag is too heavy for Serene to carry. And I'm too tired, so get up now. Okay, I'm awake. Okay, so I'm literally just going to get the supplies because apparently I'm strong now. Ugh, this is so annoying. They literally interrupted my dream. I guess we're snowed in here, and I think we should make the most of our time. We shouldn't be complaining. We're in a spa after all. Nathan, wake up. We need to go to the hospital now. It's an emergency. pack the bag and call my parents because they need to look after the kids while I'm at the hospital. Okay, I'll just call your parents right now. Hi, it's Nathan. Sorry to bother you, but I think I'm always in labor and I'm gonna need you to come to our house really quick and just take care of the kids while we're at the hospital. Oh my goodness, are you both okay? Yeah, we're all right. It's just that it's a bit early. And by the way, the power's out here as well. Okay, we'll come as quick as we can. I promise. See you. Okay, bye. See you guys tomorrow. Nathan, Amari, are you both okay? Yeah, I'm fine. I just want to make sure the kids are safe while we're away. And the snowstorm's not helping. Well, we've got snacks and blankets, and it's getting really cold out. Yeah, bye guys. Stay safe. You too.